How's it going? Hope you're keeping well. I just wanted to jump on here and shoot this quick video to first of all thank you all for the incredible support within my Train Like a Warrior YouTube channel and supporting all my free workouts. I just wanted to come on here and say that I am running a brand new founding member special here for all the new members that want to join my brand new Train Like a Warrior online workout studio and community, which is changing the game. You will be able to gain access to all my exclusive workouts, brand new sessions out every single week, transformation challenges, nutrition, coaching, community with all the Warrior members around the world. And I am in this community every single day, coaching the members. We are all back and forth, helping one another with our goals. And plus you get brand new sessions every single week. So if you enjoy the free workouts here on YouTube, you're gonna absolutely love what is within our brand new Train Like a Warrior membership and community. So I'm running this founding member special now only until the 1st of October. So a very special price of only $14 per month, which works out around £10 if you're in the UK for our monthly membership, and you can cancel at any time. However, for all the founding members, you will lock in this price for good because the price will be increasing more and more from the 1st of October. So if you enjoy the free sessions and if you enjoy what we have here within YouTube, you're going to absolutely love what is in store within our Train Like a Warrior online workout studio and community. You won't need a gym membership, you don't need any expensive equipment, you can work out anytime, anywhere, all the sessions are on demand, and I am in the community every single day talking to the members, coaching the members, and there's incredible content, leaderboards and unlocks all within the community, and you can check it out by clicking the link below. So the founding member special starts now, okay, and ends on the 1st of October. So please, if you're interested, get in as soon as possible, and I can't wait to have you within our incredible Train Like a Warrior membership.